And the opposition leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, is again blasting the government about his handling of road projects in the corporate area. The opposition leader toured the Portia Simpson Miller Square on Monday morning, where he not only highlighted the problems already created by the projects, but also new problems he believes are looming. TVJ's Herman Green went along with that tour and filed this report.
Opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips has expressed disappointment in how the road development plans for the corporate area are being handled by the current government.
A good plan, a plan which has been around for years, is being hampered because of very poor implementation.
While touring the Marcus Garvey Drive to Portia Simpson Miller Square area, Dr. Phillips reiterated his view that the chaos over the past few months could have been avoided. He said, even the latest plan for a bypass through Seaview and Majestic Gardens, which he says was part of the initial plan, is not being done properly.
There is no provision now for any street lighting to be put in place. There is no provision for any soft shoulder so that vehicles can come off the road if there's a problem. And the drainage that should allow the water to flow freely to the sea needs to be enhanced. Otherwise, even the Bailey Bridge, which is being put in place, won't last through a good rainfall.
Dr. Phillips also met with business operators in the area. Their cries of a significant revenue loss has only gotten louder. They attribute the losses to poor management and planning.
Yeah, we expect a little bit of inconvenience. We don't expect massive inconvenience. And that's what we're getting. We have clients on the way here who are turned back. That's not acceptable. If you have proper signage to start with, a lot of that wouldn't happen. Security
is another need. They have had to put on shifts late at night just to keep their business operating. But the JUTC bus doesn't come up here, and they are going to have to put additional security at their own expense in place to protect their workers getting to buses to move. The government needs to do more to facilitate them.
The Portia Simpson Miller Square has been closed to vehicular traffic for the most part to facilitate the construction of overhead passes. The road project and closure are projected to last for another 8 months. Herman Green, TVJ News.